Hello guys, this is Mechanical Software Tutorials. Today we are going to see about AutoCAD Beginners Tutorial 8. So today what we are going to see draw tools. These are the draw tools we are going to see today. These are the most important and most useful tool while drawing and while constructing your drawing and editing. Okay. So XLINE and Ray and Divide. So I have mentioned here the shortcuts for those commands. So we are going to see how this tool will be used and how we can use that tool also. Okay, so particularly both tool I mean XLINE and Ray, both tool are same, but we have some a little different. So what it is, XLINE. So XLINE, which has no start point and no end point. So here Ray, which is nothing but which has start point but there is no end point. Okay, that is the major difference in these two tools. Okay, see, we are going to see about XLINE. Okay, XL is the shortcut for XLINE. So first thing, it asks specify a first point, primary thing, specify the point. So I don't have any reference. If you have reference, you can use it as like this. So I'm going to choose some randomly a point. So I'm click over here, then it asks this line through which point have to draw. Okay, so I'm going to somewhere else to another thing. So draw the X line. So whatever you want and how many line you want, you can pick to create that. Okay, so this is one way to draw the X line. So then same X line I'm going to give in here. So and another option here, horizontal, vertical, angle and offset. So these are the things using in 2D. By see, horizontal is in H. Enter H, you will get an X line by horizontally. So wherever you have a reference, you can use it. So like this. So if you have any intersection point or else anything else, you can keep it. So I will explain this particular application later. Okay, see, then same X line I'm going to give a vertical. If I need a vertical purpose, so I'm going to give V to get vertical. So see, I'm going to give my reference or else wherever I need, I can give it. Okay, so that's how this vertical function works. Okay, same X line, here balance option is angle. So give an angle A, enter, then it asks the angle. So I'm going to give an angle of 45. So this particular X line automatically it's create itself with an angle of 45 which you have given. Okay, get by picking one by one point. So this angle method, this X line defaultly started with some angle what you have given. Okay, see, the next thing is X line, then offset. So offset is another useful tool. Okay, see, press XL and enter and press O to get offset. So here I get an offset. So how many distance from the your reference point? Here I'm going to give 10, enter. So then it asks the reference line. So I'm going to select this particular vertical line. So click somewhere else. This X line creates with the offset distance of 10. You can, by clicking like this, you will get. So whether if you click on a reference line, keep it left side in the sense your offset distance line will be created left side. Either if you click that line and kept right side and click it in the sense, you will get a right side offset line. So you can also create an offset by horizontal line also. So wherever just click as a reference, you will get it. So even though 45 degree also you will get it. Okay, like this offset function will be useful. I will show an application. Okay, this is how XLINE works. Then ray, I already told you, which has start point but just no end point. So RAY is the shortcut for ray. So it asks the start point. So for XLINE, it doesn't ask start point. It asks a reference point. Okay. So here it asks specific start point. So I am just have a circle. I'm going to give a start point in a circle center point. So just on here. Then this ray, next it asks specific throw point. So I'm going to give a throw point. So somewhere else, then you'll get an ray which has starting point and it doesn't have a end point. So like this ray we can be utilized. So wherever you want, you can pick it and you get it by this ray tool. Okay. The next thing is divide. So see here, divide is a most useful tool and it will reduce your time to draw and place some object some particular distance. In the sense, it will be most useful tool. Okay. See, in this divide, I am going to place this circle at equal distance of 5. Okay. See here, I am going to use this divide tool. So div is the shortcut for divide tool, and it asks to select object to divide. So this is the object I am going to divide. So press enter it. So it asks how many segment I have to split. So I am going to give 5 equal segment S. It is splitted. So I am going to place this circle at equal distance. So here I am going to place the circle and this. Okay. See, this is how this divide tool will be used. See, I have placed it at equal distance of the circles. See, each distance has it's 40. Okay. See, this is how tool will be useful for your drawing. Okay. So the next thing is we have seen XLINE, ray, and XLINE horizontal and offset too. So see here how it will be useful. So same here, I am going to split as a divide by using divide tool. So this is the object line I am going to split here. So I am going to use divide tool div and select this object. I am going to split as 6 segments. So as this divided point which will be created. Sometimes this point will not be created. Okay, at the time you are going to type p type. Especially I have seen about last tutorial. If you didn't know in the sense, please refer it. Okay, so p type to see this type style. So sometimes defaultly this style has been selected. So select a type whichever you want. So then click over it. I am going to change this cross like this. So it will be look like this. Okay, here how I gonna create this drawing by like this example drawing. See, I am going to XLINE here. So XL is the shortcut and click here. Press V to get vertical. So here, and this is a reference point. This is and this. So this one we cannot create because this is curved shape. So in this place we can use a ray tool to get this exact cross like. Okay. So we will use it ray. Okay. Ray tool we have to use it to get this cross profile. Okay. RAY is a shortcut for ray. Okay. So ray, which as I already told you that, which is start point and refer to some throw point. So this is start point for circle, right? This I have selected this center point of the circle. So this is the throw point I have selected here. This and this. So then I have to finish by using this horizontal. Okay. So here I can use it XLINE horizontal. H to get horizontal is a reference. Okay. This is how create. So I will explain how to make and cut the extra lines also in our next class. Okay. So I have another example for XLINE to use as a reference. Okay. See here I am going to create this right side view of this block with 25 width. Okay, for example. Okay, see XLINE to get H to horizontal. This is my top side reference, this is my bottom side reference. So these both give us exact height of the block. Okay, same here I have told you, right, which is 25 is the width. Okay, so how can I do that? X line, same X line and vertical, so place somewhere you want. So then same at 25 we want to know, do that, no? So same X line, I have told that as a special option offset to get 25 distance and offset from either right side or left side. I'm going to give a left side. Okay, so I will explain in this also how to remove extra line and get a needed object and next tutorial. I hope you guys you like this video. Don't forget to share and especially subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.